What's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And today we are back with a brand new video. Today we're going to be checking out the review and on foot of the Air Jordan 13. It's almost been 20 years since they dropped this colorway. Now the Air Jordan 13 obviously came out in 1998. These are releasing today. I'm sure on all your foot sites, all your on the sneakers app. I'm sure this should be easy to get. A lot of Jordans just been sitting. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. We're on the journey to hitting 10,000 subscribers. You could be the subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. If you like sneaker content, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you are brand new and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you got to do is hit the notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop one of these bangers. But guys, today we are, like I said, we are taking a look at almost a two-decade-old sneaker, because these, like I said in yesterday's video, if you haven't seen that, click the link at the top of the screen. This is the original pair. I'll get up close because the lighting is really terrible in here for some reason. Gotta fix that. But yeah, that's the original pair from 2004. And another month or two, it would have been 20 years since they dropped this. Enough this, enough that. Without further ado, let's jump into today's review. All right, guys, starting off with the outsole of the shoe. As you can see, standard Jordan 13 outsole, nothing crazy. Got the holographic Jumpman. Well, you got the black, and then you got the what do they call that? I don't know what to call that, honestly. Hologram on the inside with the black Jumpman. Not really sure. Moving up, as you can see, the midsole contains most of the wheat color. Also, it's got little hits of white. As you can see, we have a full leather upper. Now, I'm going to show you guys the toe box is really nice. The materials are nice. The leather is nice. It's got leather all around the tongue. We got the side panels here. As for the overall dopest part of the shoe is that hologram, the cat's eye in the back. Now, these were designed as, Jordan the Black Panther. If you ever see Jordan play in the playoffs, he actually has these in all black with the white bottom, little red to it. Those called the playoff 13s. But then they also have the red and blacks, which are the breads, which I still need to get my hands on. I had them, but got rid of them. My wife got them downstairs, still fresh too. Taking a look at the back, as you can see, the wheat colorway just wrapping around the entire. All right, guys, taking a look at the midsole, as you can see, standard Jordan 13 midsole with your little hits of white pods here and there. And you got that beautiful wheat color. Now the suede on the wheat is pretty nice, man. I have to say so myself. Taking a look at the toe box. Toe box is pretty clean. Toe box is clean. Leather is nice. Moving up, you got only comes with one lace, which is a white rope lace. As you can see, the full, entirety of the tongue is leather. Then you got the Jumpman in the color wheat on top as well. Very, very dope. Guys, if you want to see some dope pictures, make sure you hit my Instagram. They'll be in the description down below. Make sure you give me a follow because we are blowing up over there as well. Taking a look at the medial side of the shoe. It's basically what's going on the inside is going on the outside of the sneaker. Just a well-rounded, beautiful shoe. Now, as for the sock liner, I got a question, will they get dirty? I'm sure if you drop some coffee or you get some dirt on it, it'll get dirty. But overall, wearing black socks, if you keep continuing to touch it with your fingers, obviously it's going to get dirty because it is white, kind of like a silk material. As for the insole, the entire insole is wheat with a white Jumpman, which is different, but very dope overall. Been 20 years, been waiting for the shoe to re-release. I know a lot of OGs are out there waiting for the shoe to drop, which it does drop today, so make sure you get your hands on it. If you want to cop these sneakers right now, they sold out. Just say if they sell out on the sneakers app, all you gotta do is hit J&M Sneakers. Their links will be in the description. But this pair comes from my man Isaiah. We truly appreciate you, my man. One more detail before we go. As you can see, it reads Jordan, and then on the back, it doesn't even have the Roman numeral 13 on the back. It usually does. Hold on, let me see something. Let's check out the original pair. Oh, look at that. The original pair doesn't have that either. That's weird. Let's check out the He Got Games. He's got the Jordan here too. Oh look, if you could see that, I'll show you guys up close. It has the X numeral. It has the Roman numeral 13. That's weird. They didn't put it on the new pair. But that is pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the comment section on what you guys think. Are you guys picking these up today? I do not think these will go on sale, but today in the sneaker community, you just never know. But anyway, guys, before we go, please make sure you do me a favor and vote for me for the Supreme Sneakerhead. Links will be at the top of the description down below. It's a free vote. You don't have to pay any money unless you want to. That's on you, but you can vote for free every 24 hours. I am in second place. I'm in second place. I advanced to the top 10. The top 5 advances this Thursday, which is Thanksgiving. And I'm in second place right now as we speak. So please do me a favor. If you have some free time, just click the link in the description down below. Give me a quick vote. I truly appreciate it. But guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay tuned. The On Foot review is on its way. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.
What we do here is go back.